Hi children, our next topic is about spinal cord. So we already discussed about spinal cord. Spinal cord is the one which is present inside the vertebral column. So it is a very sensitive part which is protected by the vertebral column, which is our backbone. See, the spinal cord is a bundle of nerves. It is a bundle of nerves present inside the vertebral column. It extends downwards from the medulla oblongata. So the connection is from the medulla oblongata down to our back part. So the spinal cord controls reflex actions. What are reflex actions? The immediate actions which can be taken itself without our brain permission. For example, if you touch a hot lid, will the brain give the permission? Till that time, no. Immediately you will take the hand. Okay, so this is called a immediate reflex action. For suppose anything went into your eyes, immediately what you will do? Immediately you close your eyes. So this is called as immediate reflex actions. So all these actions will be taken place with by the spinal cord. An immediate and automatic action that does not depend on or wait for the signals from the brain is called as reflex action. Okay, so example, if we accidentally touch something hot, we immediately tend to withdraw our hand without thinking. So this type of actions are called as reflex actions. All these actions will take place by the spinal cord. Next one is nerves. Next topic is nerves. So many nerve cells or neurons join to form a single nerve. So many cells, already we discussed that our human body is completely filled up with the cells. So many nerve cells or neurons, other name is called as neurons, will form together and form a single nerve. Single nerve. Nerves carry messages to and from the brain. So all these nerves are connected from hand to brain, or else lungs to brain, or else legs to brain. All these nerves are connected completely in our body. So this will take the information from that part to the brain or give the information from the brain to the hand. Okay, so let us see. There are three types of nerves. The first one is sensory nerves, second one is motor nerves, and the third one is mixed nerves. So the first one is sensory nerves. What are sensory nerves? Let us see now. Sensory nerves carry messages from different parts of the body to the brain. For example, from the sense organs to the spinal cord and then to the brain. These are the sensory nerves which carry the messages from the hand to brain or brain to body parts to brain. So it gives the information from the part to the spinal cord and spinal cord to the brain. Okay, sensory nerves means what? The nerves which carries the messages from the body parts to the brain, body parts to the spinal cord and to the brain. Next one is motor nerves. Motor nerves carry messages from the brain to the other parts of the body. Motor nerves means the nerves which carry the messages from brain to the part of the body. Next one is mixed nerves. Mixed nerves means like two-way systems. It can take the information from the body part to the brain or brain to the body part. Okay, first sensory nerves means what? Nerves which carries the message from the body parts to the spinal cord and next to the brain. Motor nerves means these nerves carry the information from brain to the body parts. Next, mixed nerves. Mixed nerves means it takes the information from the part to the brain and also brain to the part. It works like two-way systems, that is they can carry messages to and from the brain. Okay, these are about the nerves.